Hi there, good morning. My name is Febrianto and I'm a student of English Department in University of 19 November, Kolaka. And my ID number is 190230067. Okay, before I'm going so much about my topic today, I will give you some reason about why I make this video. So, I make this video because we got an assignment from my lecturer, actually Mr. Kamarudin SPD MPD as lecturer Introduction to Education. So in this video, my title of paper is about the actual problems in Indonesia, and my part for this title of education problem at the university level, actually for me. But before I'm talking about my topic today, I will take some type that I can explain, like the first, problem formulations, second, problem of writing, third, discussions, and the last, it's about the solutions about these problems. Okay, let's move to the first ones about problem formulations. So, the problem formulation for this paper is the first, what is the meaning of education? Secondly, what is the education system in Indonesia? Third, what are the problems of education at the elementary school level? And five, about what are the problems of education at the junior secondary level? And five, it's about what are the problems of education at the high school level? And the sixth is about what are the problems of education at the university or college levels? And the last, it's about what is the solutions to the problems of education in Indonesia. But there, I just focus for the problem of education at the university and solutions about for all of the problems of education in Indonesia. Actually, for at the university, I mean. And then the purpose of these writings, it's about the first, to find out the meaning of education. Secondly, to find out the education system in Indonesia. Third, to find out educational problems at the elementary school level. Five, to find out educational problems at the junior high school level. Five, to find out what are the problems of education at the high school level. Six, to find out what are the problems of education at the university or the college level. And the last, to find solutions to the problems of education in Indonesia. Okay, for now, let's move to the discussions. It's about the problems of education at the university or college level. Education is considered as an important foundation for the development of our country. But the fate of education in some places still faces a number of serious problems. In Indonesia, for example, curriculum issue, examinations, violence, and harassment in schools and institutes up to the times of the entrance test for tertiary education, which recently experienced a sudden change which caused a number of popular reactions. The following will be discussed some serious issues related to higher education in various parts of the world, especially in Indonesia. The first, the cost of education continues to increase according to one report. An increase in the education cost continues even faster than the inflation rate. I mean, so the government and the education institutions have already paid attention to this issue by making various efforts, such as scholarship programs, assistance and assistance to the underprivileged. And secondly, college work due to the high cost of education at the university level. Some students decide to work while studying. Why this can be a problem for students because they work automatically. They work and they studying, automatically they work. Their time to study is reduced, or I mean, their time to study is reduced, and students will not get enough rest because they don't work. That is a very minimal rest schedule, right? This can have an impact on the health of students themselves. And the third is a pain of depression. There are many factors that make students depressed, such as the thought factors about the lecture, which has so many deadline assignments, lecture that lecture that never finish, and when they become final students who are writing their thesis. And the five, it's about the incorrect entry into the department being one of the problems at the university level, because it's a very important. It's a very impactful for students, because usually students who will not who will but who feel the wrong choices of majors with experience thinking that he does not have the skills and expertise in that field. Indirectly, they will feel reluctance to enter campus, do their works, attend class, and etc. And the last, it's about the problem that always student of university feels about the problems with facilities and infrastructure we know. The last, it's about the problem with facilities and infrastructure at the university, right? We know that education in Indonesia is a very minimal in terms of facilities and infrastructure, as it's the case with damaged education infrastructure in various educational institutions. It's a very religious in Indonesia. In this case, the teaching and learning facilities are formed for feasible, and example includes leaky classrooms, broken chairs, and etc., as well as very poor professional teacher. Okay, the solution for this problem is about to overcome the problems of education in Indonesia, such as the lack of cycle facilities, the quality of teachers, and so forth in outlying area. The government, the first time it's the government should provide for all of the university in Indonesia. It's about the first time. It's the government must be responsible in covering the education cost of its citizens, but public and private schools, so that many children for disadvantaged family can get proper education. The second is about the bad management of education must pay attention to professionalism and also the creativity of the institutions or in organizing education. And the last one is about the teachers should be more creative, innovative, skills, and brave in taking the initiative in the development of various teaching models. And the last, it's about in prepare the curriculum. It should take into account the various natural potentials, human resources or existing facilities and infrastructure. Yes, I think that's all for me about the problem of education at the university. So maybe I have many less about my explanations for today. So let's get learning together, and yes, see you in the next video about the another problems, and see you Mr. See you Mr. Kama SPD MPD, because you have give us about the many much about the assignment. Thank you so much. Good Friday, good day. Have a nice day, and see you.